Hello and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you've never been here before. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support. So today we're going to be doing the last look with the Stila Blue Realm Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, and we're going to be testing this shade out. Now this one seems to be the weakest one in the palette, if you ask me. Just off swatches alone, I've tried all the other eyeshadows and they're fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of that white chocolate just all over the lids like I always do, if I can find the correct brush. I can smell the chocolate in this palette. It is gorgeous. I don't know where my brush is. Right, in that case then I'm just going to use this brush. Normally I use the Real Techniques and it's quite a stubbier brush than this, but I can't find it and I don't want to waste time looking. Okay, so that's that done. Right, so considering I've used the shade quite a bit recently, like in most of the looks I've done with this palette, that shade is Enchant. I feel like it's only fair we should go in this. I've also used this once, but I've used this more. So that shade is Discover. Yeah, Discover. And then we're going to go in with this fluffy brush that I like to use, or I have been liking to use recently. So that shade again, we're going to zoom in and just put it in the crease. So again, this look really is just about testing the eyeshadow palette out, guys. It's not a look that's going to be too, you know, too in your face kind of. So when I got this for my birthday, I really didn't think I'd like it as much as I do. Just because people had been saying quite negative things towards it. And also when I swatched it as well, on my actual birthday, it wasn't swatching as well as it applies to the eyes. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, guys. Right, so I'm going to put some of that Discover shade on the outer V as well. And then I think I will go in with this like rose tone shade in Enchant, just to see if we can, I mean it's not going to build it up, is it, because it's, oh actually, right, let me get a different brush. This Real Techniques one. So this one is part of the Berlin collection that they brought out, and it is the usual eyeshadow base. Sorry, it is the usual base eyeshadow brush, but just in different packaging. So yeah, I'm gonna just go in, like, focus all the eyeshadow just on the tip here, and put it here, to try and deepen it out a little bit, and it does seem to be working. So the Enchant shade then is a fraction darker. We're not going to go too mad, because the gold in this palette is supposed to be the focus of the palette. I've not got high hopes to it though, guys, if I'm being completely honest. Just because the last 2 days when I've swatched it, it's swatched really sheer, but that really doesn't mean anything, does it? Because like I said earlier, it's swatched sheer. They all swatched sheer when I swatched them for my birthday. I'm going to go in with this on the brow bone. Normally I would go in with the white chocolate shade, but I like the way this looked yesterday as well. Okay, and And then we're going to go in with a little accent brush from Real Techniques, the one that I always use, and we're going to go in with Awaken, if I'm reading these right. It might be the opposite one. It's either Awaken or Enlighten, but I'm sure that one's Enlighten. Please correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm reading them wrong, because that can happen. Oh, it's going on so much better than the swatch. Right, I'm going to leave a bit of a gap there for that white and lightened shade. The only thing I've not been liking about this palette is the end up here, up above my crease, but that's not the palette's fault. That's my eyelids fault, the fact that I've got hooded eyelids. Steamy, my mirror's steamy. Oh, I've gone in too far with that gold on the left eye. Story of my life. Right, so we're going to put some setting spray on the brush, and then we're going to try and go in a little bit more. Now, there isn't that much setting spray in here. I've nearly finished it. It just kind of squirts a little bit out at a time, so I don't even think it's doing anything. Let's get my Primark setting spray on it, because there's loads left in this. Yeah, it's looking more filed now. It's definitely better. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. This happened yesterday to me as well. It's definitely better than what I thought. Okay, then we will go in with this white and lightened shade. Which is my favourite shade from the palette. Oh, it's a bit chunky there. So yeah, that's looking nice. And then on the lash line, I think I want to use this one. So that one again is Enchant. Okay, and then just need to tight line with the Too Faced Love eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with some more of that Awaken shade here, this gold, just on my fingers. Put it down, kind of get rid of those creases, not creases, lines. Oh, that is absolutely stunning. I'm sorry I even said anything negatively against it now. Right, and now we're going to go in with the mascara. So it's just the Essence one that I've been using a lot lately. Well, for the past month, I would say. Oh, I wanted to curl my lashes. Never mind, it's already on now. Right, oh, my eyes are really watering. Let's go and grab a lipstick and I'll be straight back. Right, for lipsticks with this look, I really don't know what to wear. There's only two, like, in my lipstick tray that Pretty Random has chosen out for me. Obviously not last week because I chose the lipsticks, but I do want to try these as well at some point. So we've got the NYX Lingerie in the shade Honeymoon, and then we've got the Revolution in the shade Rebirth, which I really do like. That might actually go. Or feel like that might be too dark, so we'll leave that for now and we'll use Awaken. So that was simple enough. Right, so it's really nice, like, I'd say orange tone brown. Let's take the oil I've got on off. Okay, so again, this one is in the shade Awaken. Yeah, that's really, really nice. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. I like it with the eyeshadow look that I've created today. So like I said, it's just a simple eyeshadow look. That's what this palette is great for, just to do simple eyes, and then you make a big impact with shades like this one, Enlighten, and this one, Transcend, and then these two here, which the blue one is called Reveal, and then the gold one is called Awaken, I think. And then the other two are really, really great transition shades. Now, if you remember a couple of days ago, I did say to you, if this eyeshadow wouldn't have worked out, I would have liked to have seen a deeper matte in here. Well, this does work out, in my opinion anyway, for what I like. These two eyeshadows, you can definitely deepen it out. Now, I didn't think you could. By putting this one on first and then putting this one just underneath or even on top of it, you could definitely deepen out the look, but it's not like groundbreaking. You'd have to go into a different palette if you really want to smoke it out, which is fine. I really, really like this palette. I can't really say too much more about it. I just really, really like it. I asked for this palette because I wanted some special shades, like some duochromes, just because I've got enough kind of run-of-the-mill average eyeshadow palettes. So I wanted some special eyeshadow palettes if I was going to bring anything in. And I'm not disappointed, guys. It's just really, really beautiful. I would highly recommend it if you can get hold of it. A lot of people won't want to pay the kind of price it is for 6 eyeshadows, but as I got it as a gift, that isn't really a concern for me. I'm just so grateful to have it in my collection. Thank you so much for watching today. This is the overall look. I really like the way it's turned out. Thank you so much for watching today. It really means a lot to me. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and become part of our little fam. Please share and please comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.